Me? You.
Once was a killer and I got the bunch of cuts.
I'm a stunner, ain't no drama. Just a fucking comment, just another stupid number on my list. I will never miss. From hell deeper than the darkest place you hit.
So, the original idea for this video was nature with Kollin. Then Kollin got fucking COVID. So, we had to change it up a bit.
It hasn't even been a month since school. Is it fixed?
Yeah. Okay. And pricked himself on the facial. It was painful.
Nobody cares.
I laughed.
Hey,
Hi, TT.
In middle school,
And he was saying
because it was way easier. Now people have like dense personalities and whatnot. I was like, that's what's starting.
I saw Donald at Fred Meyer.
Yes, he works there. I caught it. Make noise. See, the kids at this school are natural engineers.
Come here, son. Come here.
Now I have to stay.
If my kids weren't half black and half white, I'd have to slap you upside the head for that.
Why?
And it ain't in here.
We're the blacks. That's this is gonna be the cover. I'm following you the whole time.
You've been following us the whole time?
Yes. We've been trying to contact you about your extended car warranty. Hold on, let me put my balls on it. You guys all. It was about to be real.
Never had dumplings.
I feel like she'd like dumplings. I feel like noodles is kind of bland.
That's true. But the pad thai is really good.
I know, but it's bland. Hey, your red hair makes you look weird just coming off doing this.
Yeah, like the keto stuff.
Because he's
Jacob, I do wrestling. I will.
okay.
You don't know what this is? To the motherfucking dance floor with they motherfucking drinks, they wet ass.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Canyon. Happy birthday to you. Woo! I can't believe you turned 17 today. 17.